Are you struggling with costly mailing and shipping processes? Pitney Bowes offers sending solutions designed to help state and local governments maximize budgets. Our solutions control costs, save time, and reduce taxpayer burdens. Streamline your processes securely, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Ensure critical mail reaches the right hands every time, mitigating risks effectively. With over 100 years of expertise, we bring you innovative technology like SendPro 360. Security is our priority with FedRAMP and StateRAMP authorization, guaranteeing safety in your operations. Transform your mailing processes today with special government pricing available for you. Don't wait. Modernize your shipping methods for success now and in the future. Visit our state contract page for more information and start optimizing your organization today.